Hello, good afternoon. Today I'm going to show to you how do we convert one form of benzene derivative to another. So let me begin with this. Um, for example, I have this one, benzene, all right? More precisely, methyl benzene. I have methyl. So if I wish to convert this one to this form, okay, this form, what's the reagent and condition needed? So, okay, so here I have a one, two, three, four chloromethylbenzene. So what's the reagent and condition needed to convert methylbenzene to 4-chloromethylbenzene? Okay, so basically you can see here you have Cl, and then it's actually you need to add Cl2 in the presence of a LCl3 catalyst, all right? Or it can be FeCl3 catalyst. So this is actually the reagent. Okay, let me write. This one is actually the reagent one that I encircle in uh, green, and this is actually the catalyst, right? Okay, so next is what if I erase this one? All right, so what if I wish to remove or convert from methylbenzene goes to another form, which is this one. For example, I wish to convert this one to this form, CH2Cl. So what's the reagent condition needed? Of course, because you can see here, I have a CH3, and then in the product, I have CH2Cl. So I only need to add the reagent is actually Cl2 in the presence of UV light of HF, because E equal to HF. So we call this reaction is actually heterophilic substitution. All right. So for example, it's actually possible for me to convert this form into other form. For example, this one. All right. So for example, I have COH. So it is obvious that you have CH3, and then it becomes CH2, it becomes COOH. So what's the reagent condition needed? So it's obvious that you have H here, and then you have O here, and then if you see that O becomes H, or O replaces by H, this is actually oxidation reaction. All right. So oxidation or oxidizing agent is actually KMnO4 in the presence of H plus. So the reagent and condition needed to convert methylbenzene to benzoic acid is actually KMnO4 in the presence of H plus. All right, last one. If you wish to convert this one to another form, for example, you have this form of benzene, for example, this one is actually COCl. So what is the reagent and condition needed? So it is obvious that you have COH and then you have COCl. So you only need to add PCl5, right, without any required condition. Or you can also convert benzoic acid to acyl uh, uh, benzene like this using SOCl2, or can be also PCl3. All right. So I think that's all for me. Thank you for watching.